this game, let's now recognize the high impact player of the game presented.
Raton! Raton! Raton!
That's it for this game. Let's give recognition to the high impact player of the game presented with support from AP Barbers. Always precision, always perfect. Now here with me is jersey number 9, Jay Raton of Genesis Roaring Lions. So first of all, we've seen you work so hard sa loob ng court. Kaya naman matanong ko lang, what's the secret on staying composed even under pressure?
Huwag pong matakot sa mga kalaban and unang-una po kay Jesus po, lagi pong namangangin. And sabi ni Coach, kahit po maliit, kaya po yan. Huwag pong matakot. Okay lang yun.
Ayan, baka may gusto kong i-shout out na family or friend na nanonood dito sa ating live stream ngayon.
And shoutout po kay Jesus and kay Doc, ay kay Sir Albert and Doc Ellen. And thank you po sa mga teachers and sa mga supporter. And shoutout po kay Justin Meneses and kay Kyle Daero. And shoutout po sa mga ante ko dyan na nanonood. Thank you po.
Ayan, congratulations. And once again, our high-impact player of the game, jersey number 9, Jay Raton. This has been your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia, reporting for Genesis Roaring Lions. This is Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History.
And now we are here with our Eleville Tours Philippines Incorporated best player of the game, jersey number 14. That's John Kelly Cereza with 15 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, 6 steals. Congratulations on being the best player of the game. And wow, ang ganda ng statistics mo dito, Cereza. And of course, ang unang-una kong tatanungin sa'yo, paano mo nagawang magkaroon ng maraming rebounds despite being a guard?
Ano po?
Paano mo na parami yung rebounds mo kahit guard yung position mo sa team?
Siguro natatiming ko kung paano bumangga ang bola sa ring.
So, tinatansya mo talaga kung saan mo makukuha yung rebound. And yung hustle, nandun talaga, 100% effort. And of course, despite being the general ng team mo, nakita ko during the game na napapasa mo talaga na maayos yung bola. And nakakapagpuntos ka pa rin. Paano mo nagagawa yun?
Siguro kumpiyansa lang sa Riley.
Yun yung confidence talaga yung magdadala sa laban against kahit sino pa man yan. And of course, ano yung naging mindset mo sa pagsimula ng ating laban?
Babawi kami. Nadalawang kaming talo eh. Babawi kami.
Kaya well-deserved win talaga para sa Genesis Roaring Lions. And may gusto ka bang batiin sa ating live stream?
Unang-una maraming salamat sa boss namin, Boss Abet and Boss Sabaw pa na thank you support sa Genesis and thank you sa cheerer and sa teammate kong bago. Thank you and maraming salamat sa pamilya ko sa Imaawa. Thank you mga tugang ko and sa second mama ko dyan and shout out kay Gia Cassandra Gunawono Campo. Mahal-mahal lang kayo.
Alright, once again, that is our best player of the game, John Kelly Cereza, jersey number 14. And we'll be back only here on Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. ang ganda na pinakitang laban ng ating teams doon. The Genesis Roaring Lions and the USA Falcons. And once again, this has been Nino Mendoza ang naghatid sa inyo ng gitgitan at mainit na labanan sa araw na ito.
And together with Nino, my name is Simon Nicolas B. Cabera.
And once again, this has been JNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and of course, Bukal Season 8. Chasing Greatness, Defining History.